is like cardamom in a biryani. Everyone likes its flavor, but no one wants its bites. One of the best quotes on the internet. These plants beside me are cardamom. Cardamom is a perennial plant in the ginger family, native to India, specifically South India. Today, cardamom is grown worldwide wherever the climate allows. It is famous for its culinary use. It has a characteristic spicy and sweet taste. As many of you may know, cardamom has two main types, green and black. Green cardamom is often referred to as real cardamom. It is used in various Indian dishes such as biryani, kheer and curries. Compared to green cardamom, black cardamom has less flavor and is more tart, which is why it is rarely used for desserts. Make sure to plant them in a partially shaded area. Keep the ground moist. They do not like soil that dries out. Water regularly if rain is not plentiful. They do not like too much sun and can't stand very cold climates either. Cardamom is rich in essential oils and has strong antioxidant properties. It has an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effect as well. It is said to lower blood pressure. It shows exceptionally well digestive properties and is known to stimulate the body's metabolism. Cardamom has been used for more than 4,000 years. Cardamom is third on the list of the most expensive spices after saffron and vanilla. I can safely call it the bird's eye, back when India was called the bird of gold or Sone ki chidiya, since they were the spices which lured the foreign campaigners to look for India in trade. Here we have a mixture of green as well as black cardamoms, the shallow ones being the green cardamoms. Though these are quite unlikely to flower considering Delhi's climate, but we managed to rear the foliage, which is as fragrant and hence can be supplemented in dishes. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at early